Desk in Japanese is tsukue. Chair in Japanese is isu.
Oh my goodness, look at this one. This octopus thing is so cute.
Ryan's TV.
Hey guys, welcome to Ryan's TV. I'm Ryan Seno. Today, I'm at Ikea in Japan. Look at that. Yes, it's in the middle of nowhere. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you around inside of the Japanese Ikea. And also, well, I'm gonna teach you simple Japanese something I found in Ikea. Hope you guys can enjoy the Japanese Ikea video plus extra Japanese lesson. That's good, right? Alright, so let's go to check Ikea. I'm in front of the store. Now, let's get inside. Speaking of the Ikea in Japanese, it's Ikea. That's how we pronounce in Japanese. There are so many Ikea buses that you can access to this place. You see, it's from the Osaka station, and then that's from the Namba station as well. So if you want to visit the Ikea in Japan, I believe you can just go to some big stations and you can come over here. Oh, by the way, the bus in Japanese is bus. That's the same pronunciation. Alright, so I'm kind of excited to get into IKEA. Let's go. Well, IKEA is one of my favorite places. Oh man, like I can smell the furniture smell. This is what I love. Alright, so let's go to check the second floor first because that's how we watch. Let's go. Alright, so at first I found the bag. Well, bag in Japanese is bag. Sounds safe, right?
Hold on. It is bag, but also it's called kaban as well. Japanese native speaker often use bag is for casual one and kaban is for formal one.
Okay, what else we have? Oh, look at that. It's cute cups. Well, picture in Japanese is picha.
It sounds similar, right? Cup in Japanese is koppu. It sounds a bit different, however, it is close enough to remember it. Alright, let's go check more. Bed in Japanese is betto, but pillow in Japanese is makura. Yes, it is totally different. If you say pillow, we don't understand it. Desk in Japanese is tsukue. Chair in Japanese is isu. Now, it's a kitchen section. Look at this nice kitchen.
Well, the kitchen in Japanese, I believe you can guess. Kitchen in Japanese is kitchen.
Or you can say daidokoro. But nowadays young Japanese people use kitchen.
Look at that, it's so good. Well, if I had this kitchen, I can do the lion cooking. Well, cooking in Japanese is ryori. Yeah, that's how we pronounce. It's so nice.
Dish in Japanese is osara. Chopsticks in Japanese is ohashi. This tiny cup in Japanese is ochoko. Ochoko. Sounds funny, right? Pencil in Japanese is enritsu. Ruler in Japanese is monosashi. Book in Japanese is hon. Office in Japanese is office.
Oh my goodness, look at this one. This octopus thing is so cute. Price is only 500 Japanese yen as well. It's pretty cheap. This could be small as this size. Wow. I believe we can use it while we travel, and then if we wash the underwears and the socks, hang it in the hotel, right? This could be super useful. Very interesting.
This is the stuffed animal section. Stuffed animal in Japanese is nuigurumi. so cute. This is the kids section. There are many toys that the kids can play. Alright, let's go to the downstairs. By the way, stairs in Japanese is kaidan.
Oh my goodness, look at this one right here. This is my favorite one. My favorite is this red one, which is a strawberry, it smells so good, and the orange one. Yeah. Well, if you guys haven't tried this orange peach one yet, then please try it. It smells so good. Loving it. The price is 199 Japanese yen, I think, which is not bad. Alright, so let's go to the next place. That's a cactus case. Wow, there are 3 cactus and the price is 600 Japanese yen. I think it's pretty cheap. The 200 Japanese yen for each. How cute they are. Oh my goodness, I'm loving it. Yeah, I want to buy this and I'm gonna place it on the desk. How cute, I'm loving it. Well, so this cactus in Japanese is saboten.
There were many small cactus as well. Each of them were so cute. It's really hard to find this kind of huge store in Japan, so I love the store. And also, they have a food court which has a really good deal.
So I came back to the first place where I was. How was the Ikea in Japan? Well, hope you enjoyed the video and hope you could learn some Japanese as well. Well, in the next video, I try to do the food review in Japanese Ikea. Well, they have a special foods as well, so please look forward to the Ikea food review video. Oh, by the way, I have an Instagram. I usually post a daily Japanese life and Japanese food. So if you're interested in me or Japanese food, please check my Instagram account as well. Alright, so this video, pretty much that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, please thumbs up. Your subscription really encourages me to take a next video. Alright, so thank you very much. Arigato. So, bye bye.